Say bye-bye. Caitlin Marie. Hey. No, ma'am. Nope. We're not going to play like that. No, ma'am. We're not going to play like that. You get me? You understand? Caitlin. We going to be sweet. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Katybug. Ooh. 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 No, ma'am. You're going to hurt yourself. I'm backing away. You gotta come get me. Come get me. Caitlin. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, little girl. I just realized that that gown makes you look like a little boy. Yeah. It's 'cause it's blue, that's all. You gonna climb up the couch? Come on. Look, baby. Get it. Come on. Come get it. There you go. You cheating. You cheating. You gotta crawl. You gotta come over here and get it. Come get it. Uh-oh. Oopsies, you gotta come get it. Oh, oopsies. It keeps moving. Come on. Good girl, Caitlin. Good girl. She doesn't even realize she's crawling. Oh, good job. Good job, you got it. You so good. Say, yeah. Good job. Say bye-bye. Good job, Caitlin. Good job. Get it, baby. Go get it. Good job. You did such a good job. Bye-bye. See ya. Oh, boy. Just as I say bye, she starts doing funny stuff. Katie. on, baby. Here, look. Check this out. Ready? Come over here. Come on. There you go. Turn yourself around. Good. You gotta go get it. There it goes. There it goes. She's my monkey child. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Go get it, baby.